What's going on YouTube, it's GadgetsBoy, and in this video we have the all-new BMW 3 Series. It's the 7th generation 3 Series saloon, which was first introduced at Paris Motor Show, but I got to drive it out in Marbella, checking out all the tech inside and out. Since it was first launched in 1975, it's become BMW's most successful model, and the all-new 3 Series has been refined without compromising on its roots. Starting with the design, the all-new 3 Series looks like it's been to the gym. It's sexy, it looks beefed up, stiffer, has some great tech inside as well to make the driver's life a lot easier. The new 3 Series is 85mm longer than its predecessor. It's 16mm wide, just 1mm taller. Its wheelbase has been extended by 41mm to alongside its track widths. At the front, the large BMW kidney grille is still there without looking too aggressive. You still want to turn up to your meeting looking very civilized. Elements are framed by a single surround and split up by wide bars and linked to the headlights units. The customary BMW twin headlights feature the familiar two-way split that is further emphasized by an eye-catching notch in the front apron that rises into the headlight contour. The bonnet has 4 contour lines leading to the BMW kidney grille. At its leading edge, it sits flush with the upper edge of the headlights and kidney grille. Both the front fog lights and air curtains are integrated into the outer air intakes, which are inserted into the front apron in a horizontal T-shape on the SE and Sports models. By the way, if you're interested in some performance stats, this particular version here is the 320D X-Drive. It dishes out 190 brake horsepower. It does 0 to 60 in 6.9 seconds with 145 miles per hour top speed and 400 Newton meter peak torque. So you really feel it push you to the seat when you put your foot down, especially in sports mode. Okay, less on the design and general outlook on the car. Let's go on to the tech. The entry-level SE model features substantially increased standard specification. It includes adaptive LED headlights with cornering light and eyebrow indicators, BMW welcome light carpet, interior ambient lighting with up to 11 color settings, parking assistant with reverse camera and latest generation reverse assistant, electric folding mirrors, 3-zone air conditioning and enhanced acoustic glazing. The entry model features a leather sport steering wheel and BMW Live Cockpit Plus, with its 8.8-inch central instrument cluster as well. As standard, the M Sport model also featured the new BMW Live Cockpit Professional with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, 10.3-inch central instrument cluster, and BMW's brand new operating system 7.0 with intelligent personal assistant. Standard fit equipment includes rain sensor, automatic headlight activation, a Bluetooth hands-free phone facility, automatic climate control including 3 zones with independent controls for the driver, front passenger and rear passengers, an acoustic glass for the windscreen, driver and passenger side windows, which dramatically reduces cabin noise. I can testify to that. DAB radio comes as standard on the BMW 3 Series saloon. The audio system features 6 speakers with an output of 100 watts, the optional 464 watt Harman Kardon surround sound system with 16 speakers and a digital 7-channel amplifiers available as part of the technology package as well. A new technology package combines the Harman Kardon speakers, heads-up display, extended Bluetooth with wireless charging and gesture control. The comfort package combines the heated steering wheel, comfort access, automatic tailgate and storage compartment package. The premium package includes electric seats with memory, lumbar supports and electric glass sunroof. As standard, you also get Active Guard Plus, which includes speed limitation information, lane departure warning and collision and pedestrian warning with city braking function, along with cruise control with braking function as well. You can also order the driving assistant professional package that includes the driving assistant as well as active cruise control with stop and go, steering and lane control assistant, lane keeping assistant with active side collision protection, priority warning and wrong way warning system, and cross traffic alert. The latest generation of BMW's heads-up display is optional and available as part of a technology package. This has a projection area 70% larger than in the outgoing version. It also has enhanced graphics, additional display readings, as well as a distance warning that flashes up a graphic icon to alert the driver when you get too close to the car in front of you. Another new feature of the parking assistant is a reversing assistant, which offers automated reversing in confined spaces where there's no clear view of where you're parking. The system can reverse the vehicle for distances up to 50 meters by steering it along the same line it has just taken when moving forward. All the driver has to do is operate the accelerator and brake pedals. If you buy one of these, you can also choose to upgrade to Park Assistant Plus, which includes the park view, panorama view, and 3D top view features. This can create a nice 360-degree image of the vehicle and its surroundings, so it just makes parking a lot more easier for you. More on BMW's intelligent personal assistant though. It learns your routines and habits and just applies them to the appropriate context as well. It helps you as the driver, learns your preferences, and it's familiar with all your favorite settings as well. For example, your seating, your heated seat settings, for example, if you want it on or off, places you drive to frequently, and you can say stuff like, "Hey BMW,
Hey BMW, change track."
So a bit like Google Assistant, where you can say, "Hey Google." One unique feature it has though over other digital assistant like the Google's One or Apple Siri, for example, is you can actually give it a name as well. For example, you can call it Tommy or GadgetsBoy. They have limited the names though, so you can't call it, rude names. Elsewhere, there's also BMW Digital Key, which uses NFC technology to allow you to unlock your car and lock it using your smartphone. Just holding your phone up onto the door, against the door, and door opens the car. And once inside, the engine can be started as soon as the phone has been placed in a wireless charging or smartphone tray. It's a really smart integration, and I think that's very functional. Onto the connected navigation system, it's pretty cool as well, useful for driving, everyday driving, and planning your journey accurately and well in advance. With this new technology, you can send destinations from various applications straight to your car's navigation system, and the most important destinations will be stored, meaning important addresses can be accessed from any device at any time. A new feature is the parking space assistant, which proposes various parking options to you as the driver in good time before the destination is reached, which I find will be very useful. Overall, the all-new BMW 3 Series is fantastic. It's great to drive, very comfortable. Even when you stick into sports mode, it's still really nice and fun to drive. It's quicker, stiffer. The steering wheel has a lot more resistance to it as well on feedback. And it's just overall just a great car to drive. It's oozes premium all inside. The materials used, the dash, the seating, everything. It's spacious as well. Lots of leg room in the back, lots of space in the boot as well. So overall, it's an amazing car to look into. It's reasonably priced as well. All that information will be in the description area. And lots of tech inside this thing, lots of tech outside as well, which we didn't really get into. But inside the car, you have a lot of fantastic technology in terms of entertainment, stuff that makes your life easier, and even that intelligent personal assistant as well. In the meantime, guys, do let me know what you think of this video, of the car as well. Drop them in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll be one of the first people to know every time there's a video on this channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.